Hey guys, welcome back to the Kayla and DaMarkus show. As you guys know, I'm owner and founder of Laser Aesthetics Marketing, and my partner in crime, Kayla, is not here today, unfortunately, but we're still gonna run that intro. All right, you guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. It's all about creating systems and frameworks inside of your spa so that we can help grow and scale your business to seven figures and beyond. Today, what I want to talk to you guys about is how to actually prevent no call, no shows and cancellations from happening inside of your spa. Okay. So if you can do me a favor, do yourself a favor, click the subscribe link right down below, and that'll help you get notified whenever we publish amazing videos like this. All right. So if you guys get some value out of this, do me a favor and go ahead and share this video. But at the least, just go ahead and like and subscribe. All right, you guys. So many of us as spa owners deal with the issue of getting people to actually show up for their appointment, right? We spend so much money, effort, and energy to acquire new clients. And sometimes we just have to deal with clients who no call, no show. It can be the most frustrating thing in the business. Why? Well, you're paying your employees, obviously, or yourself to be there. And it's extremely rude and just not tolerable for clients to not just show up for their appointment. Okay. So the one thing that we did to go from about a 30 to 40% no call, no show rate when we first opened our business to less than probably one or two a month now, with lots of high volume appointments. What we did was we implemented this one thing. Okay. But before I tell you what that is, I have a question for you. Right? If you're in the midst of trying to scale your business and you're paying to acquire new clients, I must ask you, like ask yourself this question: like, what are you actually paying whoever, yourself, a marketing team, a platform, Google, Facebook, your time? What are you actually paying to acquire these new clients? Okay, and you break that down and you actually come up with a number. That's what you're losing out on top of what you're paying your employee when it comes to when a no show, no call happens. Okay, it can be one of the most devastating things in your business. Okay, so now that we have that answer figured out, I want to explain to you what we've done and how you can easily implement this into your business so that you can significantly start reducing the amount of no call, no shows and cancellations in your business. Okay. So about a year and a half ago, we turned on a marketing campaign and we allowed everybody to just come in and book whenever, however they wanted. Okay. So how that worked is we had a calendar, it was open, there was an open spot. Anybody could jump in and take that spot, right? We now have it set up in our system to where if you want to actually see somebody, you have to pay upfront a deposit. Okay, we have it set up in Vagaros to where we're actually paying 20%. We are requiring 20% deposit on all appointments, both new and existing clients. They have to pay 20% deposit each time that they book an appointment. Okay, so what does that do? Well, it does two things. It protects us as business owners, right? So if somebody no call, no shows, we can keep that deposit and charge a cancellation fee depending on what your cancellation policy is. Ours is if you don't cancel within 24 hours, you actually are charged, we keep the deposit and we also charge a $50 no show cancellation fee or no show fee, okay? By doing that alone, it incentivizes, it gives the person a reason to come in. They don't want to just lose out on their money, obviously. When you can get somebody financially committed just this much to something, the chances of them actually showing up increase through the moon. Okay, so we went from about, again, 30 to 40% no call, no show cancellations to less than one or two a month. Okay, and it absolutely changed our business. It protects us as business owners, it protects our employees, and it prevents one of the most frustrating things in this industry, and that's people not showing up for their appointment. Okay, so get into your CRM, get into your software. If you're doing it by paper, maybe what you do is, a couple days before their appointment, when you get notified that they want to book, you capture a credit card. If you don't want to do a deposit, capture the credit card, and then come up with a cancellation policy or no show policy. Put it on your website, and protect your business and be strict with it. Right? There's obviously going to be times where clients call and they say, like, we're living in a very strange world nowadays where COVID is a very real thing, right? And so people will call and say, hey, like my daughter or my son got COVID or my mom got COVID, I can't come in, right? So we understand those kind of situations, but as a business owner, you have to take that case by case and be very strict and consistent across the board. If you allow one person to get away with it, you got to kind of allow everybody. Okay, so do this one thing in your business and change it. And I will hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.